Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, if you remember, as part of the previous session, we have downloaded the required things. So now let us try to create a basic program. So what exactly a basic program is? Ideally, whenever we are starting with any programming languages, right, we will try to see how exactly we can print a simple message like a hello world, hi, anything, a print message, how the print message is gonna work. So what I'm doing here is I'm just launching my Visual Studio Code. So I don't want this particular stuff. Just close it. And here, as and when the Visual Studio Code got open, see it is asking new file, open, clone the repository, all these things. So what I'm doing here is for my better visibility and better folder structure within the documents inside the Playwright folder, I'm creating a new folder with a name as a code base. Okay, I'm just creating a new folder with a name as a code base. So here, open, I'm opening inside the documents, inside the Playwright, this folder what I have created. So what exactly that particular folder is? So as of now, within my documents, I'm capturing those videos. Along with the videos, I'm just trying to maintain my code base. So whenever you try to open this, it's asking me a confirmation. Yes, of course, I trust it. So this is the place where it got opened. Inside which I'm creating. See here, the first one is a new file. If you mouse over on it, it's gonna display that. And the second one, when you mouse over on that, new folder. So let me create TS basics. Okay, so I have just created a new folder with the TS basics. So inside the TS basics, I'm creating a new file. Okay, print info. Okay, I just created a program with a print info. Okay, that's fine. So what additionally we can do here, right? We should know. So what additionally we can do here? Okay, so in order to do this particular one, so here what I'm doing is in order to print any messages to the console, we can use console.log. Okay, console.log. Here I'm using hello students. Okay, so hello students. So basically that's what I haven't done. I haven't created anything. So console.log hello student. So that the end semicolon is an optional one. So you can add it or you don't need to add it. So console.log. Okay, perfectly all right. Now let us try to run it. So in order to run it, let us see the options. So here I'm just pulling it up this particular terminal. So how can we run it? If you remember, the execution steps, you need to compile it first, right? If you remember, you need to compile it first. And upon compiling, then you can execute it. That's fine. If you look at this particular terminal, it's in a code base folder. The test script that you have created is inside the TS bases. So CD, I'm using TypeScript basics. So I'm asking it to switch into that. And right now, so if you remember, right after you have installed the TypeScript from your terminal, we have used a, TSC hyphen hyphen version. So let me try to use the same command here. So I'm getting this a TSC hyphen version. Using the TypeScript compiler, the first approach, we will convert the TypeScript code into a JavaScript program. So the only thing that we need to do as part of this particular chunk, right? So let us try to run this particular chunk by using this particular command here. So here TSC and the program name is print info dot okay ts. This is the file. So I was just using that. So whenever I have a use in this particular one, okay, print info file and not a font. Why? Print info. Okay, so the extension should be there, right? At TS. So I just created it, but I just need to add it an extension. So print info.ts. It's mandatory for us to add a TS extension. I think initially whenever I was creating, I forgot to add that particular extension. So here, upon creating a TS extension, see here the TS is showing it up. Now use the same command again. So whenever I just ran it, see here, ignore these error messages. Anyways, we will see those error messages. But if you see this, okay, but if you see this, the JS file got a created. Okay, from the TypeScripting, a JavaScript file got a created. Now here, node, okay, node print info.js. So whenever you have a used, see hello student message got a printed down. Okay, hello student message got a printed down to this particular console. Perfectly all right. This is the first approach.